Hi, let's say you want to copy some stuff that you've developed in your personal course over to the new course that is populated with actual students from SIS. So basically, how do you copy stuff from one course to another? Well, I can't really show you classes with real students in them because I don't actually have any of those at this moment. So I'm just going to go to this course and I'm going to say I want to copy these resources to help students use Schoology, and I'm going to copy them to my personal course. Because I'm an admin here, I just click on this little gear and I can copy to courses. I can also save to resources. I would show that in a different video. Right now, let's just copy to courses. And I'm going to put this in my personal course. And I could put it just on that main materials page or within another folder. So let's say I want to put it in my syllabus and other key resources folder. So I'll copy that. I could change some advanced settings, but I don't need to, so I'll just say copy folder. And it says here at the top, your folder has been copied. Let's verify. So I go to my personal course, and let's see. Indeed, here they are. All those resources to help students have copied over into my course.